Today, I'll walk you through how to change currency format in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust the currency settings so you can present your data in a way that resonates with your audience. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all your data visualizations come to life, and it's essential to have the right format for clarity and professionalism. Next, look for the Model View icon on the far left navigation bar. This icon looks like a grid and will take you to the area where you can manage your data model. Once you're in the model view, select the column or measure in the data pane that you want to format. This could be a sales figure, profit margin, or any other financial data point. Now, in the Properties pane on the right, expand the Formatting section. Here, you will see an option labeled Format. Click on this drop-down menu and change it to Currency. This is where you can choose your preferred currency symbol or locale from the options available. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Just take your time to find the right settings. Once you've selected your desired currency format, you should see the changes reflected in your data visualizations immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency format in Power BI. This small adjustment can greatly enhance the readability of your reports and make them more user-friendly for your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.